Would you believe that people are making thousands of dollars on YouTube without ever showing their face or using their own voice? It might sound impossible, but today I'll walk you through exactly how you can do it too, step by step. Welcome to Cash Car Automation. If you're looking for a way to start a YouTube business without being on camera, this video is for you. Stick around, and if you want a chance to win a fully monetized YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and drop a comment below. I pick winners every month. 1. Tech content. Tech videos have a massive audience, with people constantly searching for content on the newest gadgets, software, and innovations. Let's say you explore topics like top 10 smart gadgets you should try. A quick search on YouTube will show several channels succeeding in this niche. To analyze their revenue potential, you can copy their channel URL, paste it into Social Blade, and check their estimated monthly earnings. Tech-related content typically earns between $10 to $25 per 1,000 views. 2. Travel channels. You don't need to visit exotic places to run a travel channel. Instead, you can create travel guides, budget tips, and destination highlights using stock footage and voiceovers. For example, the channel Here to There produces slideshow-based travel content and earns between $1,000 to $5,000 per month just from ad revenue. The key is making visually appealing content while keeping it informative. 3. Reddit compilation videos. This niche is a hidden goldmine that many YouTube experts don't talk about. Reddit threads are filled with viral content, and people love watching compilations of funny, shocking, or heartwarming stories. If you search Reddit stories on YouTube, you'll see many channels gaining millions of views with simple text-based videos. The best part? You can outsource everything, from script writing to editing, and turn this into a passive income stream. 4. Celebrity biographies. Celebrities attract massive attention, making this niche perfect for viral growth. You can create videos about pop stars, actors, or famous personalities, highlighting their careers, controversies, or net worth. For instance, searching the story of Justin Bieber will bring up several high-performing videos. This content doesn't require original footage, just well-researched scripts and compelling visuals. 5. News and trending topics. News content is one of the fastest-growing niches on YouTube. Whether it's politics, business, or entertainment, there's always something trending. A great example is Vote Shit News, which covers daily events and generates high earnings. The CPM in this niche ranges from $15 to $40, making it a lucrative opportunity if you stay consistent with trending topics. 6. Facts and trivia videos. If you love learning interesting facts, this niche is for you. Channels focused on amazing facts, science, or history attract curious audiences worldwide. One standout example is Factsopedia. This channel earns over $10,000 per month by posting engaging fact-based content. Since this niche is competitive, you'll need unique storytelling and high-quality visuals to stand out. 7. Luxury and wealth. Content. Luxury-related videos perform exceptionally well due to their high CPM and viral potential. People love watching how billionaires spend their money or learning about expensive lifestyles. For instance, searching how Dwayne Johnson spends his fortune will bring up tons of videos with millions of views. You can easily create content in this space by outsourcing script writing and video editing. 8. Motivational videos. Motivational content never goes out of demand. People are always looking for inspiration to achieve their goals. You don't have to be a motivational speaker, just hire voiceover artists and scriptwriters to craft compelling content. A good reference is the channel Fearless Motivational Speeches, which consistently ranks high for motivational keywords. Relationship advice. The relationship niche has been booming in recent years, with people looking for dating tips, communication advice, and marriage insights. You can create whiteboard animation videos or text-based slideshows with engaging visuals. Since this niche has endless content possibilities, it's an excellent choice for long-term growth. 10. Sports highlights and commentary. Sports content is always in high demand, covering everything from WWE to the NFL and major sporting events. A great example is Watch WWE, which creates wrestling-related content and attracts millions of views. If you include short 5 to 10-second clips under fair use guidelines, you can avoid copyright issues while making your content more engaging. Final thoughts. And that wraps up today's guide on how to make money on YouTube without showing your face or voice. Let me know in the comments which niche you're most excited to start. If you need help launching your own automated YouTube channel, feel free to DM me on Instagram. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.